Welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. Here I explain how to customize workout on Apple Watch. So we can get data for only metric that I have set for each workout. You can do it for all workouts available on Apple Watch Workout app. To make changes on the default workout matrix that is shown on your Apple Watch. We can do it on pair iPhone with Apple Watch. On your iPhone, open Watch app. Scroll to Workouts options and tap on it. Now the first option is Workout View. Go with these options. Check all workouts that available on Apple Watch Workouts app. When you start workout, there are too many measurement factors that might be draining your Apple Watch battery and not useful. We can eliminate from Workout Matrix by going into Edit mode, tap on the -red icon to remove from the list. At that same time, you can get changes in Workout Matrix for that workout only on your Apple Watch. See my text and example that I showing for outdoor run, outdoor cycle, swimming. Repeat the same process to make a change or customize workouts on your Apple Watch Workout app matrix. Hope you can do it for yourself for other all workouts. Having any confusion on manage or customize workout matrix, share with us on the comment box. Thanks for watching How to Solve. Don't miss to subscribe, like and share this video for more tips official first to you. Also browse more videos.